Oh, thanks. Very nice response. Of course, I can throw some other triples like this, or I can try to throw triples with both hands like this. Of course, that's only possible in a big, gorgeous theater like the Getaway. Some theaters have smaller ceilings, so you have to do doubles. And in my apartment, when I practice, I have to do it like this. You might say I live in a singles flat. Low ceiling. Okay, so if I want to go back to 4, I can do that, but that's the easy way. If you want to see the hard, but at the same time, the one in front of me goes from right to the left. But in order for this trick to work, it has to also go the other way. So the behind the back from the right, well, the other one goes from the left. If I put these two together, alternating, I think that's the really pretty trick. Let's see if I can do it today. Thank you very much. Okay, and now a special bonus trick. Release the lion.